All right, welcome back everybody. Back in the garage, it's the day after Thanksgiving. Food is finally settled down. I think I said in the last video I was gonna do some mechanical wrench turning. I'm gonna start with the axles back here. I wanna get the axles in so I can get the wheels on it and get the whole thing on the ground for the first time ever. That's the hope. So I think that's where I'm gonna start and then turn my attention to that. So let's get going. Wheels are on the ground. Could probably go with a little size bigger, but hey, they'll work for now. Now I am gonna move to the motor. So the plan here, I'll get this stuff out of the way. I'll get the distributor pointed at top dead center, or the piston at top dead center, the distributor pointed at number 1. Take the valve cover off so I can make sure everything's good to go. Yank the distributor out, yank the intake off, set the new intake on. Simple. Piece of cake. No sweat. Well, here's how we're looking. You may have seen me vacuuming in there. I picked this motor up out of a motorhome. I had a lot of broken glass on top of the intake. I did not want that going down in the motor, so I decided to suck it off of there. The firewall is gonna be right here, but I think I'm gonna move this motor back some more yet. I think she's too far forward for me. I'm gonna suck it into that cowl a little bit more, which is good. My front mounts are just temporary, so I should be able to brace them up and then space it back off of them, keep it centered, and then I can just cut my tacks and shift my rear transmission mount backwards, and that should be okay. I'm gonna ponder on it here for a minute or two before I make any final decisions. But I think I'd like to see the back of the blower right about in here somewhere. I think it would look more pleasing to me. We'll think about it. Just not sure yet. I still gotta get the carbs and stuff. So the carb's gonna add a couple more inches and then the scoop, so it's gonna be plenty high, I think. The plan is to chop the roof eventually and get that down. I'm liking it. So I've decided I'm gonna leave it where it's at. Once you get the distributor back here and the firewall, I'm gonna run flush with the edge here. She's gonna be pretty tight, and I want as much legroom in there as I can get. I'm kind of a tall guy, so I need all the cabin space I can get. So that way I don't have to have the firewall pushed into the cabin too much. I can squeeze out as much legroom as I possibly can out of this thing. So I think that's where I'm gonna go with it. I'll get all that put away, safe and away from debris. And I'm gonna work on motor mounts. Haven't had much time for getting into materials, but I did come across this kind of cool motor mount. I'm gonna try and get in there. Should be all right. It'll replace the stock ugly clamshells. Should work all right. Get that in, get the training mount burned in. And I can move forward. Still need to get my parts for my front end. This is the original axle out of the 28 Model A. I just wire wheeled it up and put some hammered paint on it. And then new spindles and spring, you know, new hardware basically. Still gotta get my parts. I split the wishbones. I think I'm gonna flip those around, get them pointed up a little bit better yet. So yeah, that's where we're at. All right, so here's where we are. Took some cardboard, cut out templates, transferred the metal, and now we're set up. Start tacking on some motor mounts. As I get them all welded in, I'll probably go back and box things in, make them really strong, you know. So yeah, it's moving right along. Get these things zipped in here a little bit. So yeah, I think that's about it for tonight. Time to go and eat some supper. It's already dark out. Should work though, I think. I'm gonna go and... Alright, back out here again. It's the next day. Kinda getting some things wrapped up. I'm gonna take my temporary motor mounts out of there, because those are kind of burned in. After a while, I'll get them all boxed and then so they're all secure and solid and they don't move. I think today though, just to have some more forward progress, I'm gonna try and get my shroud here mounted up so I can get the overall feel for the car. I'm kind of running out of supplies until I can get some parts in. I really want to get the front end on the ground and make sure I'm happy with the stance. Really trying to get a nice rake to it. So we'll see if I can get the stuff I need to mount wheels onto the front. That, I need to get some more metal coming so I can work on the frame and the floor out so I can get that going down, so I can get the body secured. And then maybe look at doing a chop. Never done one before, so I'm not sure about that yet. I also want to start getting going on steering stuff and brakes and... No, the list is long, let's just put it that way. So every little bit I can get checked off helps. So yeah, just gonna keep on going here. Ended up getting my radiator shroud here mounted. Unless I change my mind, I'm going with the 32 shroud. It's like the way they look. So, not a whole lot of progress today. Getting Christmas decorations hung up for the kids. Yay! So yeah, that's it for today. I'll get back after it tomorrow. Well, it's the next day here. I started working already a little bit. I decided I wasn't happy with the ride height of the rear end. So I did end up raising the shocks up, or the shock mount up, I should say, to lower the rear end down. I'm liking how it looks a little bit better now. Really laying down in the back, high in the front, kind of the look I'm going for. So now I think I'm gonna work on getting the shroud mounted down. I'm just gonna bolt it in the bottom. I do have plans to put some kind of rod, maybe a chain, maybe some rebar. Got some old dirt bike drive chain over there. Maybe I could weld that together up here just to give it a little support at the top. But we'll see. Kind of just taking it easy today. Just thought I'd show you how my daughter's been out here helping me. Put a little smiley face for me to remember her by. Well, I think I'm kind of getting to where I gotta stop for a little bit here. Garage is kind of getting away on me again. Gotta get some things picked up. It's a little too cluttered for me. It's kind of getting the look I want. It's coming together. Let's put that blower back up there and see how it looks with the shroud on it. Really want to start on that chop, but I think I'm gonna look into it a little bit more. See how to do it a little bit. Never done one. As a matter of fact, I've never done 90% of this. This is all new to me. So if you're watching this and you see me doing something wrong or way off base, let me know. I've had some guys reach out to me and mention a couple things, and I appreciate the input. I'm just an average guy in a garage in town building a car. So don't be afraid to reach out and let me know some things. I like my gas filler. I'm gonna find some way to secure this in here. Maybe I have the hose dangling off it even. I think that'd be kind of cool, fun, different. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.